Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to make a pair of wrist warmers or fingerless gloves, however you want to call them. And for that, I'm going to use Aran yarn, which is this variegated color, and a 5mm hook. That's all you need, and a pair of scissors. We are going to start by making a slip knot and chaining 28. We have our 28 chains, and now we are going to do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So first one, second one, we are going to do a single crochet. Now we are going to chain 3. And we are going to miss one chain and do a double crochet in the second one. We are going to chain 2 again, miss one chain, and do a single crochet in the next chain. And we are going to repeat this chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet with one missed chain in between. So again, chain 2, miss 1, double crochet. Chain 2, miss 1, and the single crochet. And one more time, chain 2, miss 1, double crochet, chain 2, miss 1, single crochet, and we are going to do this until the end of the row. In the last chain, we are going to have a double crochet. We are going to chain 1 now and turn. This next row that we are going to making is the one that we are going to repeat until however long our project needs to be. So we chained 1 and we turned. First thing, in this double crochet we will do a single crochet. We are going to chain 2, and then the next stitch that we have is a single crochet. So here we are going to do a double crochet. And basically this is how this will work. In every double we're going to do a single, in every single we're going to do a double with a chain 2 in between. So we chain 2, and here we have a double, we're going to have a single. We chain 2, here we have a single, we are going to have a double. Chain 2 again, we have a double, we are going to have a single. chain 2 and double. At the end of your second row, we will chain 2. We had a single crochet. We are going to finish with a double crochet here in this lower single crochet that we did from the first row. So we are going to go down here and do a double crochet, and it looks like this. And now we are going to repeat this second row for as long as we need to. We are always going to start with a single crochet and finish with a double crochet. Chain 2, we have single, so that means double. Now we have a single. I did 17 rows because I didn't want it to be too long on this side. So it's like, for me, it's shorter and it's about here. So it depends on your preference if you want it longer or if you don't want to cover as much of the fingers. It's up to you. So 17 should be a medium height wrist warmer. Now that we finished with our rows, on the top here, to give a nice finishing edging, we are gonna do the picot stitch. For that, we are gonna chain 1, turn our work. We are gonna single crochet in the first stitch, and then we are gonna repeat these next 3 stitches. So we are gonna do 2 single crochets, and we are gonna work in each of the spaces. So first space, we are gonna do 2 single crochets. We are gonna chain 3. And we are gonna do 2 more single crochets back in the same space. And we have our first picot stitch. We are going to do this picot stitch in every space until the end. So we're going to continue with single crochet 2 times, chain 3, and 2 single crochets. After we finish with the picot stitch, we are going to do 1 slip stitch here at the end. And now we are going to join these 2 sides together by doing slip stitches. And we are going to do these slip stitches in whatever spaces you find along the way. Don't worry if it's not going to be too neat, because we are going to turn this inside out and it's going to look better on the other side. We are also going to leave like 4 centimeters space here for where the thumb will come out. You can leave it bigger if you like. Yeah, let's see. to get my distance right on the same in the same area on both of the wrist warmers. I just, starting from where I started the slip stitch, 2 fingers, and this is where I'm gonna leave the space, and I'm gonna slip stitch only on this side, and then we just bring them back together and continue the slip stitch. Now that we've reached the end, on this side we are gonna make another border to make it look neater. We are gonna do a half double crochet all around. So we are gonna chain 2, and we are gonna work in all of these starting chain loops. At the end of a row, finish with a slip stitch, and we are gonna weave it in so we don't see it, and we are gonna turn this inside out. And this is how they look. I like the colors. It's very autumn-like. They look really good. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye.